YouTube, try stars at check-in. Right now, I'm there at the truck stop. And we decided to take out the camera, walk over now and talk to him. So here we go on now, YouTube. Today I want to talk about what type of truck you should have buy if you are considered to buy a truck.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, try stars again and check in one more time with another new video. And in another video here, I want to talk about the Volvo truck. You know, I want to talk about the Volvo truck. No, seriously no. Because me and some guys, we have some debate the other day about the Volvo truck. Because I don't understand why someone wouldn't really and truly buy a Volvo. You know, why? Tell me. Why would you consider to buy another truck but not a Volvo? No, more explain about it. You understand? Hear why I say this. And I'm outside me there right now, because I have to come out of the truck and talk to you about the Volvo truck. See? Alright. Why, now I ask the question, why me would advise, like a young driver now or a new owner operator, to buy a Volvo? Right? Alright, listen to me now. Listen to TriStars. First thing first. I'm going to tell you the first thing what I like about the Volvo truck. Yeah, now, how to get inside the Volvo engine, right? You can't do it from the outside. Trust me. There's nothing from the outside to pull. There's nothing. This have we got, on the east have we got on the way battery is. There's nothing from the outside. Like this one, you can see you can pull it from the outside, even when the driver gone. But nothing from the outside. You have actually got inside of the truck. See? Put your hand underneath here. See? And pull the wood. That's the only way to get inside. See there? You draw this like that. And see? So watch it. See there? Pull it now. You know what I mean? Lock it up. Alright. That's how you pull. We'll go inside of the truck. Alright. Don't watch it miss. Don't watch it miss inside of the truck. Most of the other truck them have everything on them seats. Same way like the rest of the truck them. So there's nothing special about this. Most of the truck them have that little thing right is if you recline the back. When you press that, the back this thing right here. Alright. That is a back recliner thing. So you press this and you work on your back while you drive. You depend on both seats. So your passenger at work, see them? Run it good. See them? Alright, nothing special inside. I look like, people say it look like on car, you know, because of how it curve and come around. You know what I mean? The next thing now I like about the Volvo truck is the clearance from the rear view mirror. Look at the clearance in the rear view mirror. You can see all of the trailer. Everything from the two sides. You can see that you hear me I said to you. You have to drive the truck to understand what I try to explain to you. You have to be a truck driver too. You know what I mean? And compare this to whatever you drive before. You will see me I talk about. You understand? So look on the clearance. You know what I mean? So when you actually go back up or reverse, you have the nice man. Alright. The next one I like about the Volvo truck now. Now listen to me now. Out of all of the truck them, Volvo engine, let me talk about the engine now. Because if you're going to buy a truck at the engine, you know what I mean? The truck, the type of truck you want to buy is alright. You know, everybody have them preference of buying truck. Alright, you want to buy your this, you want to buy your that. But what makes it so different about the Volvo truck now is the D13 and the D12 engine with the Volvo truck them having. The D13 engine from the Volvo truck is the only engine that don't have a lifespan to the bearings. When I say lifespan, I say it, I don't know if I use the right word, but you don't have an expiry date then. You don't have a time listed for the bearings. And this can prove it. You can do your own research. Don't have to listen to me. Don't have to listen to TriStars. But Volvo engine are the only engine where you don't hear say you have to do 800,000 kilo and then you have to look for change the bottom half of the bearings, or look for anything to this truck engine anytime soon. Volvo truck are the only truck. Volvo engine are the only engine with that type. You know, so the other engine them no can't go longer than that, longer than where them date isn't. But if you have a friend driver a Volvo, if you are doing research, if you even go online, if you have a mechanic who work on it, but ask them when does the bearings need to change. You know what I tell you, drive it until something happens to you. You know, so no man won't do it by themselves, you know. But the rest of the truck them, I guarantee by you reach 800 to a million, trust me. By you reach 800,000 to a million, a time for you look on them bearings, you know, a time for you start worry about getting a bottom off thing and look about. A time for you, there's a whole lot of things that you consider. As I say, I'm doing one research after I done talk about my Volvo truck, you know. Seeing, but now convince everybody, but I make you know why I'm a preference. Because you want my thing. You see, if you're going to sell me something, you see a warranty, you can use your warranty and judge the quality of your vehicle. You can use your warranty and judge the quality of the product we have. Alright. Volvo truck now. For the I-shift transmission. You know how much miles them give for the I-shift transmission? For your new Volvo truck if you have one? Me I talk about warranty, you know. That means if you buy used from somebody and the miles now go up to that, you can carry it in. If something happen to your transmission and you get the transmission check and it not feel right, you can carry it in after about 3 ownership. 1.2 million. Is it 1.2 million km? Volvo gear upon them I-shift transmission. Which other company do that? None. 800. And if you want to extend the warranty, we don't know what they might give you million miles. Them not go past that. So if you hear somebody like a dealer know put so much warranty upon them that means they have faith tonight. Alright? That not enough. That not good. Anybody else can do that. When you do extending warranty upon your truck engine, Volvo are the one that carry to 900,000 or 950,000. You can check it out. Check it out for yourself. Try style and tell them about check it out for yourself. The rest of the company them, for them engine is 800,000 or 4 year. Volvo I got 5 year extending warranty we are talking about. Still not extending to no long period. Now go by a million. Alright, I million and stop it. Correct me if I'm wrong, you know. Can't leave it on this. I tell you what me know. I tell you from my experience. So if you know I have proof, don't come give me no comments like you want to say, but your brethren say. Prove it, paperwork. Something, show me something. Until you drive one. I'm not mention the comfortable driving. I'm not mention the comfort. I put the comfort one side. I'm not talk about inside the truck with the table and all them something. I'm saying more truck come out with them things. I talk about quality truck. They kind of light, yes. They kind of light. But when you load upon it, alright. And even though your truck load light and you know say you know a breeze can turn over or whatever. Take time drive it. Take a little time and do your thing go down the road. What the next thing I'm like about the Volvo truck now? I want to listen to me now. The next thing I'm like about the Volvo truck now is, you see, if a sensor go bad on the truck, you see some come on the dashboard and say within 60 minutes a truck here I got shut down. Not necessarily shut down, but a cut speed go right to 40, now go over 40. That cut right down, meaning D-rate, if you pronounce it right. I got D-rate, the engine I got D-rate, that means say, it's either you stop, get it sorted out. And all of this are because of sensor. So you are the people the biggest problem now. You are the biggest problem. You want to listen to me. You are the biggest problem with the Volvo truck now. Yo dog, too much sensor problem. No, me done. Are the technology of the truck. Alright. You see the rest of the truck them? Freightliner and the rest of the truck them. You will see the engine check light come on, you know. But it not stop you from drive. It not stopping you from drive. You're sure that people like. People like when they can pressure the things where all figure bad. And then when the whole engine blow up now, them say them Volvo not give you a chance. Volvo not give you that chance. He must shut it down for you. Now get a chance to mash up the truck. No. If your oil pump lose pressure, that truck there I got shut down in 60 minutes. It will show you. So finding your truck stop, you go pull off. Or find somewhere you go stop. It now, I don't understand what I'm going to say. But it now make you go farther than that. Alright. And that is a big thing, you know. Trust me, that is a big thing because I know people say I drive truck with engine check light for years, days. And something drastic wrong with the truck, you know, but what they not pay them because 3 trucks still drive. Volvo not get a chance. No, go get a truck fixed. No. Here why no people don't really like Volvo again. Sometimes they will see a Volvo park up, or sometimes they will get a Volvo to drive, maybe by a company or maybe by somebody give me truck to drive and the truck start get problem. If you own that truck from day one or outright, you will understand and know. So things don't just come up so we start get problem. You know what I mean? I'm matter of fact, any truck. Once, how you take care of the truck. You understand? How you take care of the truck. And if you don't have the right person look on your truck, I'm building the crossroad for me and the alarm, the phone and ring through the building speaker. I don't know how them do that, but it can work for them though, because it's so loud. Anyway, no, what I don't like about the Volvo now? What we don't like about it? Seriously, that's what I ask me. What I don't like about the Volvo? Alright, I'll tell you the truth. Tell you the truth. I'm not like, I'm not sure, but every mechanic can hook up on your Volvo truck. And when I say hook up, I mean plug in them laptop and then pick up the Volvo signal. And not every shop can do that. I don't know why them system is like that, but they like you have to get the upgrade system to do it. The next thing is that not every mechanic can work on a Volvo truck because they have some little different type of tool to pull them engine and everything. They don't allow anybody to go inside of them engine to try to do fix things. They don't prefer to come at the dealer. That is kind of a little bit not upon the so good side, but it kind of good some way and somehow. If you have the money, if it's a man have your money, maybe that won't be a problem to you. But if you don't have that type of money to pay the dealer then, and them have work on your truck, it may become a little problem. But other than that, you will find worker we can work on the Volvo truck. You know what I mean? And if you find that person, you go and stick with that person. And as I said, things are just gossip up on your truck. You understand? You get everything sorted out, you get everything fixed up before you leave out or go anywhere. But hear me I say, for the Volvo people when we are thinking about the Volvo truck, hear me I say, hear what I say to you. Some of the people when we talk about the Volvo truck never actually drive it. They don't know nothing about it. They never go inside that one before. You just sit here and work with them here. Hear me I say, me I drive one, I own one. And I can tell you this. I want the sweetest truck for own and the best truck for drive. I want the truck them where you can respect the engine. Trust me, you can respect the engine. You know much about my engine? I'm gonna do nothing to it. 1.4. Think about it. Million me talk about. I'm gonna touch nothing. Yeah, they send the oil to testing. They test the oil to see what in it. And the man say, you're good, you know, brother. You're good. You know what I mean? Don't touch it one say, and next man say, don't fix it if it's not broken. You know what I mean? I say, yo, I made a plan to change out the bottom half of the, because you know what South Jamaican need them things. Change out the bottom half of the bearings and them things, and you don't know, say, from now on the oil pump part good, you're alright, because once the pump fling the oil up in the engine and everything, you'll be alright. But the next mechanic tell me, say, them type of engine is a RoboCop engine, you don't really mash up like that. You have to hook up over things for your truck to make your truck over race out and all kind of thing. You understand? Hear me I say to you. I'm not tell you, say, for run go buy a Volvo truck. Do your own research. But try stars and make you know this. I want the best truck to buy. That me I tell you. Volvo truck I want the best truck to buy. You see me there outside of me I talk about it. But until I get behind the wheels, you know what I mean? Think about me just say. Why should I buy a Volvo truck? Because I want the best truck. Remember try stars tell you that. 1.5, 2 million. Them thing the Volvo engine them a gear. You see me I say straight without fix nothing on it. 1.2, 2, 3. I know one brother we have 2.5 on him Volvo truck. You don't believe me? Me approve. No worry, I said only me can find everything to put it up on me when I edit that video here. Hear me I say, I want the best truck to buy. I love them. 1, 3, 5 stars. Big up myself. Go out on my truck and I'll go on easy. You know the Volvo truck. You don't know how Volvo will say. But that's what I say. Let's come to that. Think about it yourself. You know what I mean? And then you will know me and talk about. Big up on yourself. Try stuff. Check out. Peace. Big up. Yeah, anything you want to know about the Volvo truck, you can call. You can leave a comment. Leave something in the comment here section. Me will answer it. Anything you want to know about the Volvo truck, me answer it. You see me I say? Me don't know 100 or 1,000 of that things, but me can answer one and two because mind are major thing. See me I say? So hear me I say. Saying Volvo is the way to go. Saying that me I promote right now. I don't know why people are pre the thing, but hear me I say. I want the best truck right now. Believe me. I'm going to leave that tip here because people love the standard thing. I'm not like the standard. I want the best and good truck. Then for have, especially as a young driver, you know, we just have to buy one truck. I want to buy a standard, the best thing. Seeing? But I have faith in the I-shift. Believe you me, I have faith in the I-shift. So if you go buy one and the amount of miles are running on the I-shift, carry it to the dealer and check it out for you. Anything you want to fix, then we fix it. But if you're not that old, you know what I mean? Look on the mileage, look on the KM on the truck. You will understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, still, try stars and check out. Big up on yourself and respect. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for, you know, every little thing.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.